Welcome back to another video, and today's video pretty much is going to be a recap of the last about 2 weeks of hunting. So I've had these last two periods and I've hunted them pretty hard, honestly. I've gone almost every day except for a couple, but it's been kind of tough late in the season. Early in the season, I mean, it was easy. I took my niece out. She got one first morning. Went with my buddy Carson, got one first morning. It was going so easy, and then the late season kind of set in, and then it started to get difficult. But so last 2 weeks, I've seen a lot of birds, a lot of hens, a lot of jakes, just no toms. One morning I was set up real close, but I think I was almost too close and scared them off. But I heard a lot of gobbles that morning, so I thought I'd take this video to kind of make it into a recap of the last 2 weeks, and then at the end of it I'll put on the final hunt where I tagged one. If you just want to see that final hunt of this today, I'll leave the time right here so you can go down and click on whatever time that'll be and then just watch this final hunt. But yeah, it was pretty crazy final hunt. I mean, so I was out to go turkey hunting this last afternoon, and I saw some in a field that my dad doesn't own and I don't have permission for. So I knew the farmer that owned it, so I contacted my cousin. Actually, it's his father-in-law, so I contacted my cousin, got his number, did all that, called him, and he was super generous and said, yeah, go ahead, go chase after him, do whatever. So very thankful for him. So I went after him, did a spot and stalk on him, or I kind of tried to do like a scoot and shoot, but it kind of turned into spot and stalk. I don't know, you'll kind of see in the video. Yeah, it was pretty good 2 weeks, honestly. I got a lot of footage of everything, so I'll have the whole video kind of all the highlights from the animals this week, whether it's hens, jakes. I saw a couple deer, so we'll just kind of have the highlights, and then I'll have at the end the video from this last hunt here. him! Yeah! Yes, sir! Yeah! Holy! Woo! Yeah! Let's go! Finally! Such a rough year. Finally got it done. Oh, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm out here. I just put a huge spot stock on this guy. I only have my iPhone out here to film and my GoPro, but wow, it was crazy. I didn't get much of it on film, but it was crazy. I thought it was over. I thought I scared him away, but he was tucked up in the bushes and I was right around that tree. It was right over there. And I thought he was gone, so I just stood up. I was trying to do a scoot and shoot, but I thought I scared him away, so I got up, looked over the tree. I saw a big red head, and I was like, that's gotta be him. So I crouched back down, walked forward about 5 yards, and I got back up, and then I pretty much just waited for it to walk. It walked just a little bit more. I waited for it to stand up and for me to see its beard, and then I saw its beard and I took the shot right away before it ran away, and I smoked him. So that was crazy. I mean, me and my niece kind of did something like that, but I literally called the farmer about 30 minutes ago if I could ask to hunt this, and he said yeah, so thanks to him. That's awesome. So it was crazy how it ended up, but so glad I got this one. The wind's pretty bad, but man, what a beautiful bird. Nice old beard on him. Beautiful fan. Just beautiful bird. Spurs aren't the biggest, but it's all right. Still solid spurs on him, but big beard on this guy. It's awesome how I did it. Can't believe I got it done, but